They're all telling me good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me turn on the lights, let some dogs out. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Anyway. The day has begun. Buddy B and Zeus, man, it poured down yesterday evening. That's its new trick. Go check the gate. If he can't escape, he's gonna go poop and pee. What are you doing? Man, it's Manic Monday. It's they're such good dogs. They know the routine. When I come out in the morning, they all howl and stuff. It's so cool. It's called the order. But yeah, I was a little late. Usually I get up a little earlier, come out around 6, but it's about 6:30. Right, buddy? Buddy B. Buddy B. He's up. Man, I'm busted. Let my people go. He's the one. His hips are doing good. He got dinged by the car after he escaped and was found up on Penny Lane, or I don't know, somewhere. Carrot, or that's at the end of the road, another road down the street. But really nice lady. He was on the porch on a mattress with a blanket, they called. It was really super early. Ran over and got him, and oh boy, he was hurting for certain, but he's doing good. He's doing good. We're doing good. Today is Monday. This next weekend, we're going to have a, it's early, an adoption event. The doctor at the VA, at the sleep clinic, I had a giant Starbucks. They have Starbucks there, right? And I had this, anyways, I had a weird dream last night. Starbucks was there. It was bizarre. But I was at the VA, and I'm at the sleep center because I have that sleep apnea crap. And I can't, anyways, here to there. So I had this giant Starbucks on the desk. He's sitting on his desk. I'm in the chair across from him. And, you know, it's kind of a community chair, but he's our desk. And so I have the Starbucks thing. And he says, yeah, and what really helps if you don't drink coffee. I was looking over him at this giant cup of coffee. And I was like, I started going, you know, holding my ears, making those noises, like I couldn't hear him. He goes, my wife does the same thing. He's such a good doctor. Anyway, I just thought I'd chuckle about that. So I've whittled my coffee intake down to a couple of cups of that Rise mushroom coffee in the morning instead of like a pot, you know. And so, yeah, that's what we're doing. So, and it's working. I've only had one cup so far. I do two, keep myself at two, but it's really good coffee. What do you think, honey? You're better coffee. What? Position? What, honey? What? Man, This guy is such a good boy. He's such a good boy. Such a good boy. Oh, kisses. Oh, kisses. Oh, oh, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. He Batman. He's going to go do it. He's large and in charge, baby. He's done. He's telling me, we've done. Let's go in, have breakfast. What, buddy B? You out there eating grass? Going to Ralph? See, he's licking. He's out there eating a bunch of grass. See how he's kind of hunched over, looking funny? That's nausea. Yeah, there he goes. Go roll, go get the grass up. Woo, yeah. Yuck. What up? Well, that ain't fun to look at in the morning. So, okay, you've just seen a dog vomit, not just regurge, but actually vomit. And what we do, Serenia helps, but what I'm going to do for Buddy B and his grass consumption is I'll make sure that we pull the food for a little bit, plenty of water. You don't want him to drink and throw up, drink and throw up. But you do want him to stay hydrated and stuff. But we're not going to feed him this morning. I'll wait till later on to let his stomach settle down. He's in good health. There's no reason to rush him to the vet because the dog yacked up. Because you saw he was running around fine earlier. He just had an upset stomach. He was out there eating grass. Huh, buddy? You okay? What? You're okay. All right. Well, let's go. These guys. What, buddy? What are you doing, Ralphing? Are you Wreck-It Ralph? Man. What, honey? You gonna eat more grass? Oh, you gonna eat more grass? What? Are you okay, honey? Huh? You okay? You just had an upset stomach? What? Ah, well, time to keep an eye on him. Good morning, America. Oh. Anyways. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Well, they're done. They're done. Love for all. I'm off to do the helicopter over Buddy B, and Zeus is already waiting for a cookie, stirring it up.